Starting for tax year 2025, your overtime pay is finally deductible on your federal tax return. But here is the million-dollar question. Is that deduction listed on your W-2, or do you have to go find it yourself? We heard the campaign promises: no tax on Social Security, no tax on tips, no tax on overtime. But now that we are actually filing the 2025 return, we know the truth. Each of these comes with a massive asterisk. It's not as simple as tax-free, but a deduction is a deduction. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate the overtime deduction yourself, because your employer probably didn't do it for you. I'm Ed. I've already done the heavy lifting thinking about personal finance, so you can just relax. First, let's clear up the confusion. This isn't no tax on overtime. It is no federal tax on the overtime premium. Here are the 3 catches you need to know before we do the math. Catch number 1. This applies to federal income tax only. You still have to pay state taxes, and you still have to pay your FICA taxes. That's the 7.65% for Social Security and Medicare. Those are not deductible. Catch number 2. It's not unlimited. You can deduct eligible overtime up to $12,500 per person. If you are married filing jointly, that's $25,000 total. Catch number 3, the income limit. To qualify, your adjusted gross income must be below $150,000 if you're single, or $300,000 if you're married filing jointly. If you make more than that, this deduction vanishes. Now, let's talk about the premium. If you get paid time and a half, you cannot deduct the whole paycheck. You can only deduct the half part. That is the premium. Let's use real numbers. Say you make $20 an hour. When you work overtime, you get paid $30 an hour. That $30 is made up of your regular $20 rate plus a $10 bonus. The IRS only lets you deduct that $10 bonus. So if you look at the total $30, that $10 is exactly 1/3. This leads us to the golden rule of calculating this yourself. If you earn standard time and a half, simply take your total overtime earnings for the year and divide by 3. That is your deduction amount. Here is why I'm recording this video in February 2026. For this year, reporting this number on your W-2 is optional for employers. Only the massive companies are doing it. Most small and medium businesses, they aren't ready yet. So step 1, open your W-2. Look at box 14. If you see a code like OT Prem or overtime, congratulations, your employer did the work. Use that number. If box 14 is blank and you know you worked overtime, you have to be the detective. Go find your final pay stub for December 2025. Look for the year-to-date overtime figure. Take that number, divide it by 3, and that is what you give to your CPA. Where does this go? It goes on Schedule 1 under Other Adjustments to Income. It's a little hidden, so make sure you or your tax pro don't miss it. Taxes have gotten complicated, guys. You can't just put this on autopilot anymore. Be proactive, find that pay stub, and get your money back. Speaking of tricky new rules, the 401k limits just changed for 2026, and there is a trap there that could cost you your employer match. I'm breaking down the math in my next video, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching.